Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to set up Apple Cash now. Make sure your iPhone is updated and your Apple ID has two-factor authentication. This secures payments. Add a supported debit card in Wallet and follow any bank verification prompts. Open Messages or Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card, and accept the terms to enable your account. Once done, you'll confirm identity if required and set a default card for payments. This gets Apple Cash active, so you can send and receive money immediately. You'll now send and receive funds. In Messages, open a conversation, tap the Apple Pay button, type an amount, then choose your funding card and tap Pay, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. The payment appears inline and the receiver taps Accept to add it to their Apple Cash balance. Make sure to check Wallet's Apple Cash card for the updated ledger and transaction details. Once done, you can transfer the balance to your bank or use it for Apple Pay purchases. Finish by moving money to your bank or using Apple Cash for payments. Open Wallet, tap Apple Cash, choose Transfer to Bank, enter the amount, and pick standard 1-3 business days or instant with the fee applied. Confirm with Face ID or passcode. Keep receipts for records and check the ledger for pending items. If something goes wrong, verify your identity and bank details first, then ensure a stable internet connection. Contact Apple support only after rechecking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.